Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Mark II Golf Stories. I just wanted to share with you this amazing advent calendar that my awesome wife got me. It's the Volkswagen Build Your Own Golf smart one. It's fucking awesome. So over the next 24 days I'm going to be building this piece by piece, and I thought I'd share the awesome journey with you guys. Yeah, it comes with this awesome little book. It's got a lot of information about Wolfsburg, about the golf, history of the golf, obviously the Mark II, very important. Another classic. That's awesome on its own. So yeah, without further ado, let's have a quick look at this. Part number one. Let's see what we have. The base. Okay, well that's part number one of the Volkswagen GTI advent calendar. Join me tomorrow for part number two. See you then.